ഹായ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ലെറ്റ്സ് ലേൺ ടുഗെദർ. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ബാങ്കിങ്ങിലെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് 2023 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്, അതിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നോക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. മാക്സിമം എമൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് ടൈം ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ് വിച്ച് ക്യാൻ ബി കെപ്റ്റ് ഇൻ ദ നെയിം ഓഫ് മൈനർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ₹10,000, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ₹30,000, option C ₹50,000, option D unlimited. Answer option D unlimited. Non-scheduled banks are those which are not included in dash of the RBI Act. Option A first schedule, option B second schedule, option C third schedule, option D ninth schedule. Answer option B second schedule. The advantage of RuPay card is option A credit can be obtained for 180 days, option B RBI has made it compulsory for public sector banks to issue RuPay branded card, option C low charges for settlement, option D IMPS facility is available only in RuPay card. Answer option C low charges for settlement. UPI stands for option A unique payment interface, option B unified payment interface, option C united payment interface, option D uniform unique payment interface. Answer option B unified payment interface. White card refers to option A debit cards, option B duplicate cards, option C counterfeit cards, option D cards made of plastic. Answer option C counterfeit cards. A credit card holder makes a complaint to the banking of wrong billing. After how many days from the date of complaint, he can file a complaint with banking ombudsman if it is not settled? Option A 30 days, option B 45 days, option C 60 days, option D 15 days. Answer option A 30 days. Nomination can be accepted in the following type of accounts. Option A partnership accounts, option B trust accounts, option C accounts of Hindu undivided family, option D joint accounts. Answer option D joint accounts. Which of the following is considered as priority sector for financing by banks in India? Option A service sector, option B trading sector, option C corporate finance, option D agriculture sector. Option D agriculture sector. Open market operation of RBI is option A providing finance openly to deserving sectors, option B speculate activities, option C debt waiver, option D buying and selling of securities by RBI. Answer option C debt waiver. Where a guardian is appointed by court, the minor attains majority on completion of dash years of age. Option A 21 years, option B 18 years, option C 20 years, option D none of the above. Answer option B 18 years. In case of missing persons, presumption of death can be raised only after a period of dash years. Option A 5 years, option B 10 years, option C 7 years, option D none of the above. Answer option C 7 years. An IT attachment order is received for rupees 20,000 when balance in the account is rupees 10,000. Subsequently, rupees 15,000 is credited to the account. Option A, only rupees 10,000 is to be attached. Option B, rupees 20,000 to be attached including the subsequent credit. Option C, rupees 25,000 to be attached. Option D, none of these. Answer option B, rupees 20,000 to be attached including the subsequent credit. Kharif season extended from month of dash to the month of dash. Option A, April to August. Option B, March to August. Option C, June to September. Option D, April to September. Answer option C, June to September. CVV in cards stands for option A, credit verification vault. Option B, credit value verification. Option C, card value verification. Option D, credit verification value. Answer option D, credit verification value. Which is the apex banking institution for providing finance for agriculture and rural development in India? Option A, Reserve Bank of India. Option B, NABARD. Option C, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Option D, International Bank of Rural Development. Answer option B, NABARD. PMLA related to KYC stands for option A, Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Option B, Prohibition of Money Laundering Act. Option C, Prime Money Lending Act. Option D, none of the above. Answer option A, Prevention of Money Laundering Act. From a customer who has lost the demand draft purchased by him, which document is obtaining before issuing a duplicate DD? Option A, undertaking. Option B, indemnity bond. Option C, contract to abstain from using the first demand draft. Option D, restrictive agreement. Answer option B, indemnity bond. When does the bank make the payment of bank guarantee? Option A, when the beneficiary invokes the guarantee and makes demand to the bank. Option B, on bank getting satisfied that the person on whose behalf guarantee is given has defaulted on his part. Option C, only when court orders on invoking guarantee. Option D, when the person on whose behalf the guarantee is given gives his consent to pay. Answer option A, when the beneficiary invokes the guarantee and make demand to the bank. Credit risk involves the following. Option A, the security may get dilute in value. Option B, the risk that money lent may not be repaid in time or not at all. Option C, the claim of the bank may be challenged in the court for faulty documentation. Option D, it is situation in which interest rate is falling down. Answer option B. The risk that money lent may not be repaid in time or not at all. A garnishee order is operative only when the banker-customer relationship is option A, debtor-creditor, option B, principal and agent, option C, trustee and beneficiary, option D, none of the above. Answer option A, debtor and creditor. Banker's general lien is available. Option A, on goods on safe custody. Option B, goods in locker. Option C, on goods and securities received in the capacity of a banker. Option D, goods left by debtor by mistake. Answer option C, on goods and securities received in the capacity of the banker. On an account having a balance of rupees 12,000, one garnishee order for rupees 15,000 is received by 11 am and another for rupees 6,000 is received by 12:30 pm. The bank will be option A, attach the balance on the order received first. Option B, execute the order received second. Option C, the bank will pay proportionally against two orders. Option D, none of the above. Answer option A, attach the balance on the order received first. Right of set off is exercised in case of option A, future debt, option B, debts due and determined, option C, contingent liabilities, option D, money deposited with some other specific purpose. Answer option B, debts due and determined. Mr. A wants to give mandate to his minor son to operate his account. Option A, it can be accepted since minor can be an agent. Option B, it cannot be accepted since minor cannot be an agent. Option C, mandate can be accepted but minor is not allowed to draw check. Option D, none of the above. Answer option A, it can be accepted since minor can be an agent. A minor can open and operate account in his name if he has completed dash years of age. Option A, 10 years. Option B, 14 years. Option C, 12 years. Option D, none of the above. Answer option A, 10 years. ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ബാങ്കിങ്ങിൽ നിന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലുള്ളത്. 2023 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ പറയുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, ചാനൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.